Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Today I'm going to do a bell pepper sauce, but because my cranberry sauce is red, I'm going to use orange bell peppers today. I'm going to chop my bell peppers into small pieces. Either red onion or white onion would work. And I'll have my thyme and chicken broth ready. Okay, I've got 4 teaspoons of oil in the pan. It was heated and I added my 3 bell peppers and a cup of onions. I will saute that until tender, which usually is about 5 minutes. Now, Chef Gordon Ramsay says by adding a wee bit of sugar to your onions, they'll caramelize better, and it also adds just another note to your finished dish. So it was just 1 teaspoon of sugar I added, and the recipe didn't call for it, but I'm adding a quarter of a teaspoon of salt here, just to stiff it up better, and it also adds just another note to your finished dish. So it was just 1 teaspoon of sugar I added, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt here, just to stiff it up. I'm going to add the teaspoon of thyme here about 1 minute before I take this off. And I'm going to transfer mine to a pot because I do not have a good lid to cover this, and I have to cook it another 10 minutes covered. So I've added the 1/3 cup of chicken broth. I'm going to cover, reduce the heat down to low, and let it cook for about 10 minutes or until the peppers are really tender. Then I'll cool it and put it in the food processor, and we'll have a taste. If it's fantastic, it'll be posted. If it's not, you'll never see this video. Okay, this is Valerie signing off, just playing in my kitchen. Well, it's pureed, and upon tasting, I decided it needed another quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and I chose to add a teaspoon of sriracha sauce, and then it was fabulous. It went so well with any kind of meat, served hot or cold. It's delicious.